Got your portrait ruined by word colors? No problem, I'll show you how to fix any color cast in just one click using Photoshop. Yep, just one click and you are done. So let's get started. Alright, here is the magic. Go to filter, the neural filters. And now just turn on colorize and Photoshop does the rest. Yes, it is that simple. And here is the result. Color cast, it's gone. The skin looks natural again. You can even fine tune it here. You can try different color profiles and also you can adjust saturation and tweak other colors to make it perfect. And when you are happy, just set the output to new layer and hit OK. And it's done. Here is the before and after. Again, look at this, look at the skin and skin texture. It looks so natural. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.